Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great day. All right. Uh, let's have some music playing here. All right. So we're looking at GJ. All right. Missed out of this freaking nice supply setup here. Uh, as far as this demand here, we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen here. So at this point, looking at GJ, we need to break above, retest continuation, sells below, retest continuation. That's what we're waiting for right now. So it's basically the same setup on GJ and EJ. So um, if I had seen this buy, I would have probably taken it back to these highs. So at this point, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. Alright, we need a break and close above, retest continuation, break and close below, retest continuation to take either buys or sell here. So looking at GJ, alright, this is what I would like to see. Break, retest, continuation. For these cells here, break, continuation. Alright. Basically the same setup on GJ and EJ. But something is going on with my Discord today. Don't know what it is. I hope it's gonna be fixed now. So we'll see. Because took gold sales. Man, was unable to send these gold sales to my VIP. I don't know what's going on. Freaking annoying. Took NAS 100, working out perfectly. Couldn't send this either. Don't know, both happened at the same time. No. Gold was first. I took NAS 100 like 30 minutes ago. Already secured profit. Expecting it to come back to these 4-hour lows. Previous 4-hour resistance. If it does that, my final TP on NAS is gonna be back to this 4-hour support because of this clean traffic here. So we'll see how that goes on NAS. Already secured 500 points on this one. Very nice. So sick. My Discord just wouldn't freaking. I don't know what happened. Anyways. So we'll see what's gonna happen with GJ and EJ. Just gotta be patient. Good morning, Tado. You're welcome, Peter. I know, man. This GJ, I was looking to get in somewhere right here and just target these highs. But missed it already, so see what happens. If GJ breaks 157, man, it's gonna be should be a crazy buy. The crazy buy could be down in London, or it could happen down in New York. But just know if we break above 157 on GJ, yeah, it's gonna be a very nice buy on GJ. So we'll see how it plays out. And EJ, go to the 4 hour. Man, if EJ breaks 140.500, man, it's gonna be a nice buy too. If it breaks above 140, you're looking at about, let's just say 40 pips to the next highs. So we'll see what happens. The trade I was really looking to take on both EJ and GJ earlier on was these sales. Missed out on it. Was freaking watching HBO. Let's just wait and see what's gonna happen here. Good morning, Nigel. Good morning, Danielle. Good morning, Obi. Good morning, Love Cook. No, Love Cook. I draw my zones manually and I use the 4 hour. I don't need indicators. Strictly price action. Good morning, Wim83. Oh man, good is still selling. Boy, oh boy. Man. Danielle, I got another freaking 65 pips on gold. I'm so mad with that I couldn't send this to my Discord. Discord was just freaking tripping. Don't understand why. But it's all good. Oh man, look at Nas. Look at freaking Nas 100. My VIP will be smiling to the bank now. Nas dropped 800 points from my entry to here. 800 freaking points. Why is this thing so low all of a sudden? If the music is too loud, please let me know, guys. As of right now, I'm loving good on the 5 minute. It's good on the 5 minute. Whew. When I said it in Discord the other day that since all this time, but I've been trading gold, trading it on the higher. Whew. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, I was saying the other day that when I used to trade gold, obviously I was trading it on the higher time frame. I don't know what I don't know why I was doing that. Should have been doing it on the 5 minute. But this strategy that I'm using on the 5 minute, as long as you can identify those zones, you know what you're looking for, man, you should be crushing gold. Even though you would have some losses, but overall, you're gonna crush it. Gold is gonna be your slave. You're just gonna be sending gold on an errand. You just tell gold, go, boom, I need you to go and make money for me today. Send it on an errand, and she's gonna deliver for you. And very soon, I'm actually gonna be doing 2 challenges just for myself. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do it on both gold and NAS, but I think I'm gonna start with gold first. I'm gonna start with gold first. So, and the pair is gonna be gold, right? And I'm actually gonna document this challenge on my YouTube as well. Now, I'm gonna start out with gold first. All right. And the goal that what I'm trying to achieve is to grow $500. I was going to start with NAS 100 first, but I think I'm going to do gold first. 500. This is going to be documented on my YouTube. You know, whether I grow it or I blow the account, you guys will see everything. So 500 to 10. Okay, to $10,000, and I want to do this in 30 days. $500 to 10K. I want to achieve that in 30 days. Only trading gold. Once I'm done with that, the next one is going to be NAS. That's going to be documented too. I want to see. It's been a while since I traded a small account, so I want to do that and see. So when I start, you guys will know everything from A to Z, and we'll see how it goes. I can give you the strategy at least for charity. Very soon. Good morning, Mark FX. Wishing you all peeps with it. I like that. I like that, Mark FX. Yeah, Daniel, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm actually gonna start January after the whole, because you know we slowly approaching festive season. Uh, we got Halloween coming up, and then you know we got Thanksgiving coming up. Then we got Christmas coming up. We got New Year coming up, so it's gonna be after New Year's. I'm gonna do it January. I'm gonna wait until after that before I start. So for now, I'm gonna keep trading my regular accounts. Nice rejection on gold. It's gonna pull back. So if gold, hold on a second. So if you love trading gold, so now we came all the way down to previous 4-hour resistance, right, on gold, back to 1642. So if you like trading gold, so since we've pulled back to previous resistance, now we on the 5 minute here we've created a support now, and we currently broke the previous 4-hour lows. So now what you got to wait for in order for you to get in sales is for a retest and then a continuation back to this support, and we could potentially continue falling from there. But if we break above these 4-hour lows at 1647, this is what you do. Because you on the 5 minute, we break out of it, wait for that retest and continuation. Make sense? As for me, I will not be looking at gold anymore until maybe New York session. So I'm just going to trade maybe GJ or EJ for London session, or maybe even both of them. So we'll see. Yes, Boomies. So, yep. I still trade on the 30 minute, but I've been concentrating a lot more on the 5 minute because when I trade indices, my strategy is always on the 5 minute, and it has a very good, impressive win rate. So I was like, you know what? Let me just bring it over to currency pairs as well, and that's what I've been doing. So that's why you see me trading on the 5 minute now. If I see an entry, even on currency pairs, if I see an entry on the 30 minute, I'll still take it. Don't get me wrong. But now lately, I've been focusing more on the 5 minute. Good morning, Rico. You're welcome, Boomish. Good morning, Yvonne. Good morning, Sahid. Hey, Rudy, how you doing?
Good, good. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, absolutely. We can all hear
Good
you.
stuff. Good, good, good.
Oh, you just got to work?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. What time is it
Well, I
over
got
there?
it here.
What time is it over there?
11:30.
Oh, okay. Man, the I took NAS and gold sales, and Discord was just tripping. It wouldn't let me send the signals to you guys.
Hmm.
So pissed off about that.
Yeah.
I used to like Telegram, but it's just that Discord has gives you a way to have, multiple servers under one channel. Telegram
Right.
Telegram doesn't have that. That's why I'm using Discord.
I'm gonna log out of the Streamlabs because it's there's a reverb going on with the YouTube channel and this.
So the thing is, with YouTube, if the
Yeah.
voice if the volume is on, you just mute YouTube.
Okay.
That's all you have to do.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you that. I was gonna actually tell you to do that, but I skipped my mind.
There you go. Now it sounds perfect.
Yeah. Uh, Hopefully it's not gonna be a freaking slow session, and I have a good feeling about today's setup. So I have a good feeling about today's setup.
Good, good. Well, I'll log out of here, man, so you can focus in on the stream.
All right, man.
All right.
Is the music too loud, guys? Let me know if it is. Oh, all right, cool, 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 cool. Um, GJ and EJ. When you look at the screen to your bottom right, says today's focus, USJPY and GBP JPY. Those are the two pairs for the London session stream. Right now this is GJ. Are you watching from your phone? We could have taken these buys right now. Those in my mentorship already knows why I would have taken these buys. Daniel, if you're still here, why would I have taken these buys? Rudy, if you're still here, why would I have taken these buys? But I just don't want to because of the time. But if I did, why would I have taken it on GJ? We just have like 23 more minutes for London Open. So that's why I decided not to take these buys. Oh yeah, that's why you have having trouble seeing my chart. I wouldn't recommend watching all these live streams from your phone. You gotta use at least some type of big screen, maybe tablet or iPad if you don't have a computer. Break of what? Looks like a break and retest. Break of what? Alright, Danielle, rejection where? Okay, where did it reject? Both of you are correct. It is a break and retest. Rejection is also correct. But where? Give me the price. Nope, not on the 4 hour. Just right here. Right here on the 5 minute. Right here on the 5 minute. Don't even have to go to the 4 hour. GJ should head back to these highs. You can't see the price? Oh, you on your phone too? Oh man. What about you, boomies? Anyone else? At least you know that there is a rejection, and boomies said break and retest, which is right. Yeah, watching on the phone is too small. So this is what happened here with GJ. All right. So we broke a resistance at 155.815. Right? Broke a resistance at 165.815. Came back, we tested it, and now GJ should head back to this resistance. Simple. Don't have to make this thing too complicated. And your entry could either be at the top of this previous 5 minute bullish candle, right? Entry could have been there, could have had your stop right here and target the highs. 1 to 3 risk to reward, and your TP is gonna is about to be smashed. You've been got 10 pips already. I just didn't want to take it. I mean, we all saw it as it was happening, but I just didn't want to take it. You should watch the live stream on your laptop too. No, this trade would have been a 1 to 3. Because you have a, I believe it was like 35 pips TP and 20 pip SL. TP smashed. Ah, crazy. And I decided not to take it. Very funny. Just don't like taking trades this close to uh, session open. Whether it's Asian, whether it's London, whether it's New York, I don't like taking it when it's this close. An hour before, yes, I would take it. But if it's 30 minutes before the session open, I'm not gonna take it. I'll just wait. Now, one thing you also need to understand, just because we missed out on these buys right now, does not mean we're not gonna have another opportunity to get in. As long as you understand that, right? As long as you understand that, you're gonna stay disciplined. You're gonna stay disciplined and just wait for another trade setup. So, if we break and close above these highs right now, it has to come back and retest a zone. And looking here to the left, there are a few zones here that it could retest. It could retest these same highs again and before it starts going back up. Or it could continue and retest another zone somewhere around here. And we'll see if that's gonna happen. So if it keeps pushing up now, it is what it is. My entry is gonna come. So even if it keeps going up and gets all the way to these 4-hour highs, it's okay. Another entry is gonna come. It has to retest at some point. Because I'm only 5 minutes, so it has to retest at some point. Good morning, Brian. You couldn't join, Brian? Oh, you took the buys at later minutes? Okay. Ah, you said it's beyond your tech skills to figure this out. Really, Brian? Basically, EJ did the same freaking thing. Yeah, and I'm waiting for London Open. Not taking nothing until London Open. Oh, you skipped it. You can do it all over if you want to. Good morning, NDL. And if GJ decides to come down and break below this resistance, I'll be looking for another retest at 155,815 or at 155,984. Got demand zone here to the right. Take the buys to these highs for TP1 and we just keep the trade going. Or if it comes back down all the way down to this support, we look for buys. If it rejects, if it breaks below this support, then we look for sales. Yeah, online also right now they do. This candle has no bottom wick, so it could either flip bearish or continue bullish, and it has 4 minutes to do that. No, I don't go live during my during New York session. I just send out trades, and then we have trainings on Saturdays. That's for the private mentorship. We have trainings on Saturdays, and then Asian session on Sunday. We trade live together. This thing is just showing my God. I'm just gonna wait for London Open here. Before I take any trades. Maybe I will still got EJ. one more minute, and London session will officially be open. Alright, London session is officially opened. Now we patiently wait for entry. If this candle flips, I'm jumping in. If it flips bullish, I'm jumping in. But first, I need to see if I have a decent stop loss here. Uh, not in yet. If it does not flip, then we're gonna have to keep waiting. I'm not in yet, guys. I'm not in yet. So I have it on there. I'm not in yet. So don't think our stop loss is about to get hit. We're not in. because we do have a support there for our support. So we might as well reject from there and they start falling. So we're not in yet. And I really like what he's actually doing right now. Alright, entry up there is not valid anymore. Alright, keep falling. Ugh. Damn, 81 viewers, 21 likes. Said GJ playing games as usual. I actually like what he's doing right now. Very nice, NDL. Congratulations. Let's keep that momentum going. I know where to look for my buys, and that's what I'm patiently waiting for. Oh yeah, I don't use limit orders at all. Buy limit, sell limit. Nope, that is not my strategy. I don't use that. Including buy stops or sell stops, I barely use that either. I like to take my trade manually. Basically market execution. What? 9 to 17 job? What's that? 9 to 17? Oh, okay, yeah, 9 to 5. Oh, okay. Ah, gold should fall. Now we got our highs at 156,500. It really doesn't mean it's gonna go bearish. We got possible rejection here, and it could come all the way down back to this support just to reject again and then start going back up. Until it breaks below, I'm not taking sales. Uh, I'll be right back, guys. Just need to get me a bottle of water. I'll be right back. Oh man, didn't realize I was on mute. What was High of the Storm saying? Huh, saying sales. The fact that he's already thinking about selling from right here, I don't think he knows what he's doing. Like, why would you be thinking to sell from right here just because you rejected? Like, you get possible rejection zones here, and this thing could freaking start going up from there. It's promoting other channels. Man, I don't know why people do that. If you want to promote yourself, spend money to do that. Guys, I'm expecting to take buys here. If you want to promote yourself, spend money to do that. There's YouTube ads, there's freaking Instagram ads, Facebook ads. Spend money to do that. But you want to try to do it for free, come to someone else's channel. I'm not in. Like I said, GJ, I'm not looking for sales until we break below this support. As of right now, I'm still looking for buys. Yeah, NDL, you're right. You just have to find the one that's closer on TradingView. On TradingView, uh, recently I've been using Forex.com. I found out that it's closer to my broker, so I use Forex.com on MT4. I mean on TradingView. I'm not in this trade yet, guys. You already know the drill. When I'm in a trade, I let you guys know. No, it has nothing to do with your internet connection. All brokers are different. Yes, you need to. Every trader needs a trading journal. No sales for me until we break below. Even though it does look like we came down, right? And we tested this resistance, came down, we tested this resistance for price to continue falling. I'm not interested in sales. I'm interested in buys. So that's what I'm going to stick with. That's what I see. Some of you might see sales. I still see GJ going up. So as long as we're here, this area right here, I'm looking for buys. And like this. Ooh, TP smashed on NAS. Nice. Almost 1400 pips. Points, I mean. I said gold is gonna start falling. When I called it, I hope someone took it. I hope someone took this gold sales when I called it earlier. I told you, remember what I said. If you didn't, rewind this stream. I said gold came down, we created a support, right? We created a support right here. So now we have the first move, second move. Now we're getting the third move back to this support. And from here, we could continue dropping. Excuse me. Just not interested in gold anymore until New York. Gold, my first TP is gonna be this lows at 1642. Even though I would have taken some partials right now. Would have taken some partials because it dropped 20 pips from where my entry would have been. It already dropped 20 pips. But let's just say 15 pips because of broker spread. But it should come down to these lows. It could reject again at these lows, but it should head to these lows. The only reason why I'm not taking sales right now on GJ is because of these two zones that I have marked here on GJ. To me, we got possible rejections right there. That's why I'm not taking sales until we break below this support. And that's what I'm gonna stick to. I don't care how long it takes. That's what I'm gonna wait for. Either it rejects where it's at right now, or rejects at 155.815, or break below this support. So I shouldn't trade gold. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been trading gold all this week. On the 5 minute. I already traded it. I got 65 pips on gold. This sells. That's why my short position tool is right here. Took sales already on it. So do not need to get in gold anymore. Maybe. So we'll see if GG is gonna sell, go bearish, or go bullish. I'm expecting it to go bullish. So we'll see what happens. I feel like a lot of people are gonna be clapped for sales. And if it eventually sells, I'll look for my entry. And my sales is gonna be below this support. Below 155,600. For now, I'm sticking to my bullish bias on GJ. It looks similar, but I wouldn't get in yet. Um, Too much stuff going on here right now, even for sales, because if we look at it this way, we could say, okay, we broke above this previous resistance, right? Now, looking at the 5 minute, we created another resistance at 156,500, right? Now we rejected it, came down, we tested it with this bullish candle, and now look at this. Now we have this bearish candle, which signifies a bearish continuation. But the reason why I'm not taking sales is because of these two zones. Like I said earlier, to me, they are possible rejection zones for GJ to continue bullish. So my entry is gonna be if we eventually break above 156,200 again. If we break above 156,200 again, then I'll take my buys. Because if that happens, yeah, GJ should go up. So, and as you can see, this thing is just ranging right here. Still cannot break below this minor resistance. You get your minor resistance at 155,984, minor support at 155,815. Still finding it hard to break 155,984. What does that tell you? GJ could possibly go up, or it could fall. So I'm still bullish until we break below 155,600. For me, I don't know about anyone else, but for me, that's what I'm looking for. So I'll be careful taking buys from here right now, because anything could happen. You have a confusing setup right here. That's what I would call it. The higher time frame already turned bullish. So, no. And if you look at the 4 hour, what do you see here on the 4 hour? You see a range. Higher time frame, you see a range. So why not wait for it to break below before you take sales? And on the 5 minute, you have possible rejection zones on the 5 minutes. So why not wait for a better entry? So, and that's what I'm waiting for. Waiting for a better entry to take sales. And that is if we do not reject these two zones that I have here, including this support. How are you waiting on GJ? Yep, I'm waiting too. Alright, now EJ breaks below. If EJ eventually breaks below, this is what I'm looking for on EJ to give me. Not taking breakout on it. Since EJ is falling, GJ could fall too. And if EJ rejects this support, then GJ will reject somewhere here and then starts going up again. So, alright. EJ falling. We patiently wait for that retest before we take any trades here. This is EJ. And we got GJ here. We take buys at all. This highs is gonna be first TP. Morning, Andre. So if we have another bullish candle here, like I said, I'm gonna wait for it to break above 156,200, and I'll take my buys. All right. See how we rejected these two zones? See how we rejected these two zones? So we're gonna keep waiting. We're gonna keep waiting. We're not we're not gonna allow GJ confuse us. I'm sorry guys. I don't know if that's funny, but it was funny to me. We're not gonna let GJ confuse us to take sales. We're not gonna let GJ confuse us to take sales right here. Nope. I'm not doing it. Not doing it. GJ, whoever sent you to tell me to take sales right here, tell them I'm not at home. You do meet me at home. I traveled. I'm busy. Tell them I'm looking for buys right here. Now EJ is completely different. Where GJ is at right now, we can look for sales. See how this candle is gonna close. But as of right now, I'm gonna keep waiting. Yep, same here, J Smith. But we still gotta be patient. He's playing too many games for me right now. I don't care if you flip bearish. If you don't give me that drop retest, I'm not jumping in. I do not care. You can flip all you want. Yeah, you're right, J Smith. It could fill up the wick also. But is it a rejection? Yes, it is. But it could also come down and fill it up before it does what it's supposed to do in the first place. And if he really does that and come down to this support, see, that's even a better buy. That's even a better buy, and we could even potentially get a runner. If you've been with me for a while, you would know that I tend to stick to my buyers until I have more confirmations. Then I will change my buyers. Right now, I don't care if GJ keeps dropping all the way down to this support. If it does not break below it, I'm not taking sales. And GJ still does not want to break below. Have you realized it hasn't closed below those two minor zones? It still has not closed below those two minor zones. First minor resistance at 155,984 keeps rejecting it. Second resistance slash minor support at 155,815. We came all the way down there. We did not break below. I mean, we did not close below. So you're looking for buys right now, you're not wrong at all. But if you're looking for sales right here, you're just gambling. Even if you ended up winning, you just took a gamble and you won. You know how you go to the freaking casino? Yeah, that's what you did. You did a casino move. Casino move and you went your way. Just know that's what you did. If you took sales right here and you won. I do not see sales until we break below this support. As far as EJ goes, even though we broke below this support, if it does not give me that retest, I'm not getting in, because looking at the 4 hour, we got rejection zones here to the left. So still waiting on this also. Now, what I will be waiting for here to see on EJ, because we simply broke this, right? It's either we break above this support, then I look for buys, or wait for something like this, and then I take my buys. Start on EJ. So we'll see what EJ is gonna do. Yep, just lucky. Yeah, that's why I called it a casino move. Just nothing but a casino move. If I look on the left on 5 minute Thursday, on Thursday, London and New York session. Are you on GJ? Today is Thursday. Oh, you mean probably during Asian? Oh, Tuesday was what? Tuesday was what day was Tuesday? Today is 29. Wednesday was 28. Tuesday was 27. Where's all the... Okay, where? 4:35. I don't know what time that's gonna be here. What setup do you want me to look at? Yeah, I'm on Tuesday right now, but I don't know what setup you want me to look at. Now, if GJ comes back to around 139,467, I'll take this else. Actually, right here. Take my sales right there. It's probably not gonna happen, but we'll see. I just have this on there, just in case. I'm looking for my buys above 156 200. That's the major resistance. You send it on Discord. Uh, where? I don't see it on Discord. Oh, good morning, Mario. Long time no see. Good morning, Gerson. This is Euro JPY. Since GJ has not made up his mind yet, we'll see what EJ is gonna do. I'm not in yet. If EJ breaks above this support, then I'll look for buys. Let's give it more room. Not 2 pips. No, I'm not taking EJ yet. Once you start breaking these lows, below 139, 469, that's when I'll take the sells. So I'm not taking it yet. Oh. Oh, Jay Smith, I see what you're saying. Yep. Yes, you're right. I'm looking at your chart right now. Yes. Yep. Yes, you're right. You're right. Oh, bam. Analysis correct on gold. You see, we came right back down to that same previous lows and we rejected. Now, if you didn't take the sales when I called it, you still basically have to wait for that same setup that happened here and continuation. Or if it does not give you that continuation, wait for GJ to create another lower low. Once it creates another lower low, right, and then eventually breaks it if it does not retest, eventually it's going to retest it and you take your sales. So if you do not have an entry right now during London, just look at gold again during New York session. Don't beat yourself up that, oh man, I just missed out on a trade. No, stop doing that, please. Stop doing that. There will always be a trade setup for you. Whatever pair you want to trade, you just have to look for it. And once you find it, take it. what are my limits on pips for SL? So for me, when I set my SL, it's usually between 20 to 30 pips, simply because I trade volatile pairs when it comes to currencies, which is EJ and GJ. Between 20 to 30 pips, that's where my SL is going to be, and it's usually because of my entry. So that's what I do. Even though, even though most of the time I do not wait for price to get to my stop loss before I get out. I get out before that happens just to manage my risk. So, for example, let's say we are taking this EJ cells. Let me see what GJ is doing. So let's say we took this EJ cells, right? Now, let's say I have my stop loss right here. Now, as soon as this candle started breaking these highs, I'm out. I'm out. And I would have saved myself I would have saved myself 15 pips and another 15 pips. So manage my risk right there. I hope that makes sense. So now, no sales. Now we see if EJ is going to give us this. If it doesn't, if it does not, I'm going to wait until it breaks 140. And we should get the break retest continuation there above 140. We could get it here too. So we'll see. Because the reason why I want to see a retest here is because of this minor support, right? It's because of this minor support. Looking at the 5-minute minor support at 139.710. So I want it to break above, then give me a retest back to this support, and then potentially continue bullish and take buys, because it could still fall from here. And if it decides to start falling, right now I'll wait for a bearish closure, and then I'll take sales entry after that candle closes. All right, makes sense. So that's what I'm gonna wait for on EJ. And while we're waiting, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker, I strongly recommend Hanko Trade. With Hanko Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Hanko Trade, the two different account types that I do recommend is ECN if you have at least $100, and you can go with ECN Plus if you have at least $1,000 to deposit. Hanko Trade spread start from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commissions, and you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. But if you do that, make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200 or below. So if you're interested in getting started with Hanko Trade, you can use my link down below in the description. Now let's get back to today's trading. Oh, you mean my maximum pip risking? Yeah, if I trade EJ and GJ, it's not gonna be more than 30 pips. But doesn't mean I'm gonna wait until it hits my stop loss. Ugh. Do we have any news event coming up? No, not until New York. Man, this GDP news is definitely gonna affect the Canadian dollar. It might affect you. It might affect USD too. We got NFP week coming up next week. Damn. An hour after London Open, we're still here waiting. We're currently watching Euro JPY, guys. I'm just scanning to close below this support. I already know we got a rejection right there. If we do not have a bearish candle closure below this support, I'm not taking sales. Exactly. If we don't see it, we don't take it. Actually, because a lot of you be confused when I have this short or long position tool here. So, because some of you don't even be seeing the text because you watch this stream on your phone. So this is what I'm gonna do. I have entry right there. And once we get in, I'll put that on there. I want to see something here. What pips is this? That's 40 pips. I'm liking what I see here on GJ. GJ flips, I'm taking the buys. Said I'm not gonna use that anymore because you guys be confused. Alright, so we keep waiting. You're welcome, Nigel. I gotta keep going back and forth. On what? On EJ? Because currently, our highs is at 139,744. So if we start crossing it, we should continue pushing up. That's why my entry is right there. All right, I mean, well, I'm in EJ. All right, we'll see what EJ does. See what EJ does. Hey, Mitch FX, how you doing? Alright, EJ is still playing, guys. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, and I'll be right back. I'm out. I'm out, guys. I am out. I'm out, guys. I'm out. It completely ignored my retest zone. Alright, completely got faked out on that one. First move that I anticipated, decided not to reject right there. Alright. If it closes below now, I'll take a sell. Interesting. So we took a 10 pip loss on this one. Now the reason why I got out was because we was breaking below these lows at 139.616. That's why I got out. So now if we close below, I'll take a sell, give it another chance. Okay, we got 2 more minutes for this one. So NDL, you asked a question earlier about my stop loss. This was a perfect example. You just saw that I did not wait until it hit my stop loss before I got out. That's how I manage my risk. Because once you start breaking this low, there's no point for me to hold the trade. There is no point for me to hold the trade. Now EJ completely fake out the sellers that took sales here with the break, and now took the buyers out. Alright, sales will be right there. Let's do 30. We might not even get another entry here until freaking 4. GJ is selling though. We slowly keep walking. Oh, you trading demo this month? Nothing wrong with that. You're practicing. If we get in this sell, man, the best stop loss should be above this. That's gonna be too high. But we do have a support zone here though. When we broke above this support with the retest, we should have kept on pushing up. But hey, these things happens in the market, so it is what it is. Especially with this gap, we could have grabbed a nice 1-to-1. You just entered GJ. I'll take GJ buy, see if it start crossing 156, 120. Until then, I'll just stay away from it. I need to record this trade that we just took a loss in. This is crazy though on EJ. Faked out buyers, faked out sellers. Now, whatever move it does now, it should keep going that direction. Now, since he rejected here, I'm expecting it to actually fall now at this point. Question is, this support that he created here, is he gonna break that support? That's the question. Because if it does not, then it's gonna go back up. Alright, that brings losses here to 111. Sandeep, I'm not in EJ. I haven't taken it yet. I have not taken it yet. If it should start breaking this support, I'll take it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Man, I should have stayed my behind looking at GJ. Man, I just freaking missed out on GJ, man. Especially after I've taken this loss on EJ. Oh, was anybody watching GJ? Oh, man. Man, why didn't you guys tell me to watch GJ? I had the entry there and everything. It should go up. Man, is this thing gonna come down? Hold on. See if I can still have an entry here. Oh man. Okay. Man, the market is playing too many games today. First off, it was freaking EJ. Should have went up right here. The market is playing a lot of games today. And now look at GJ too. Well, if it flips bullish, I'll take GJ buys. Monday we had 2 wins. Tuesday we had 1 win, 1 loss. Wednesday we had 1 win, 2 losses. Today so far we've had 1 loss on stream. Yep, still playing. I would have been in right now, but I missed this move, this bullish candle here. I missed it, so I'm looking to get in right now. Um, and now I'm gonna have to move my stop loss a little bit. And even if I get in right now, if it breaks below 155,981, man, just simply get out. And for those of you that took GG already, that's what you should do too. So we'll see if it's gonna give me an opportunity to take buys. Ah, look at what GJ did right there. Still just playing games. I'm not in. I'm not in yet, guys. Yeah, today's London session is trash. Now look at freaking EJ. All these bullish candles should have been earlier. All right. Amen. Amen. Amen, GJ. So it's right there. Yeah, Misha FX, I took it. I'm not really a risk to reward ratio trader because, for example, even though I have my stop loss at 155, 8, 839, if we start breaking below 155, 981, I'm gonna get out because that's the lows. So if you start breaking that, I'm getting out. I'm not gonna wait for it to touch my stop loss. That's how I trade. That's how I manage my risk. I'm not really a risk to reward ratio trader. I focus more on my win rate. My win rate matters to me than my risk to reward. I don't know if that makes sense. Since Monday, we've not had back-to-back wins. Monday we had three. Hold on. Yeah, we took three trades on Monday, I believe. Three trades, three wins. Tuesday, one win, one loss. Yesterday was Wednesday. We had one win, two losses. Today we've had one loss so far. This GJ trade should be a win. So we'll see what it does. This EJ, I'm so pissed off about this EJ because this thing should have continued going up here. Instead, came back down, we tested this support, trapped sellers again. See what EJ did? Trapped sellers again, and now he wants to freaking go up. Trap sellers, trap buyers, trap sellers again. Now you trap sellers twice. Crazy. Yo, Zay, I'm good. And you? GJ playing games. Hold on. If I had my entry where I was gonna get in at, not good. Oh yeah, I would have been out of GJ right now. No, I would have secured profit right now. Missed the entry, but I'm in now, so we'll see. Those of you that got in earlier, where my entry was initially before we missed it, see, you should have secured 10 pips by now. According to TradingView, this thing went up from that entry 18 pips. So at least you have 15 pips before this bearish candle now. If this trade goes wrong, this is gonna be a 15 pip loss for me at least. This is gonna be the last trade I'm gonna take. Hold on, where was my entry? Hmm, that's good enough. I have Hugo's Way and Hanko trade. So I have funds in both accounts. But this GJ trade that I just took, so I wasn't paying attention. I mistakenly took this on my Hugo's Way account because I only use my Hugo's Way for indices and gold, and then I use my Hanko trade to trade currencies, which is EJ and GJ. But today, because I wasn't paying attention, I'm trading this on my Hugo's Way today. Because I usually trade them during different sessions, so it's easy for me. I don't use copy trades. I trade on them manually. I logged into my Hugo's Way account to take a look at the NAS 100 sales I took earlier, and I forgot to switch it back. So I got distracted. I'm still mad I missed the first entry on GJ though. The entry I wanted. But I'm glad some of you caught the first entry though. Even though I didn't. Very nice. Alright guys. Checking partials here, 10 pips secured. Oh man. Hold on guys, just hold on for a minute. Let me update my VIP for you guys. I want to talk about this EJ real quick. Give me a minute. But can somebody tell me, is there this EJ setup, right? This EJ buy setup right now, what's the difference? from the one we took earlier. Do you see any difference? Was it not the same? This is what the market does sometimes. So sometimes when you take a trade, just because you lost that trade does not necessarily mean you took the wrong trade. I'm telling you. No difference. The same setup. The same freaking setup. Just look at it. We took the buys right here. Previously, we took our buys here. Right? We took our buys. First TP target was up there, back to the previous highs. And look at what happened. We came down. The same setup. The same setup here to the left. The same setup here to the right. The same. He just chose to do what he should have done earlier. He just decided to do it now. It is what it is. It's all part of trading. Stuff like this happens sometimes. It doesn't happen every day, but it happens sometimes. So just because you took a trade and you lost, especially if the trade eventually goes your way like this, then you actually took the right trade. The same setup. Anyways, 10 pips on GJ, so it is what it is. Yeah, EJ should have went up in the first place initially. Just didn't want to do that. Just didn't want to do that. You need help knowing when to exit out your trades. Let me show you an example. Alright, let me give you an example here on EJ that we took earlier and we got out at 10 pips. Now, the first buy we took here, which was the same setup that eventually happened here to the right. Anyways, we took the buys somewhere around here. Now, the lows of the our stop loss was somewhere here, I believe, and target was here. Now, I do not have to wait for this trade to hit my stop loss. Why? Because we have this low right here. How do I know that this is our low? Because we have a support zone here, right? We have a support. We broke above it. We got a bearish candle, meaning we had a big retest for the price to continue pushing bullish. Now, this is our low. We have our low at 139,617. So if price starts breaking below, you have to get out. If you take buys and price start breaking the lows of your entry, get out. Get out, because you have an 80% chance of getting stopped out. So why not get out early? So, and if you take sales and price start breaking your most recent high, get out. Get out. There's no point for you to stay on that trade, hold that trade. There's no point for you to do that. That's how you manage your risk. Even if price start going in your direction again and you was out already, now guess what? You can get in again. You can get in again. This move right here on EJ, I didn't say I didn't see it. I saw it, but I didn't want to take it. After what it did right here, I just didn't want to take it. So no, I didn't take EJ again. I only took GJ. I only took GJ. This thing should freaking at least get to the highs. See if it's gonna give me 20 pips. How many lots? Why do you want to know how many lots I entered? Do I think EJ will pull back down around 155, 981? Possibly. You mean GJ? You must be talking about GJ. Man, this EJ man pissed me off. Just waiting to see if GJ is gonna give me at least 20 pips here. Ah, it's a 1,000 lots. Oh no, that's 10,000 lots. I wish. Dude, I wish my lot was 10,000. Even if I have the account size, I don't think I'm ever gonna use 10,000 lots. You guess I entered 100 lots? Maybe, maybe not. Come on, GG, just smash this first TP and start playing, man. Yeah, he does. It definitely does. It does, Flowing. Whether big or small. No one loves to lose. Like it's your hard-earned money. You didn't come. You're not trading to lose. You're in this game. You're in this industry to make money. So whether big or small, of course you're gonna feel some type of way about it. Just don't get too emotional. Because if you do, then that's gonna affect your psychology. And if that happens, the next trade you're gonna take could end up in a loss because now you're no longer thinking straight. Man, this was the exact same move. You know what? I'm not gonna talk about EJ anymore. It already happened. It happened. It is what it is. Yep, that's it. It goes up, down, or sideways. No more, no less. Up, down, or sideways. Come on, GJ, man. Just freaking smash this TP, man. GJ doesn't want to smash that TP. Now, someone tell me what happened today with this session. Was we wrong? Was we wrong trying to wait for buys on GJ and EJ? EJ. Nope, we was not wrong. We was not wrong at all. Especially on GJ. Which one looks cleaner? The sells or the buys? The buys, of course. What? Hold on. Is this the real Raja Banks? I need to know because there are some people out there faking his profile. Is that the real Raja? If it is, thank you for hopping on my stream. Oh yeah, it is verified. I didn't see that. I didn't see the check mark. Yeah, yes, it is J Smith. I just saw the check mark. Yes, it's his account. Thank you for opening my stream. Come on, GJ, just freaking smash these 20 pips. Oh, 20 pips secured, guys. Just secured 20 pips here. Now, hold on, I need to say something about GJ real quick. Just give me a second. First TP smashed. So guys, I just took more partials of 20 pips here. And if we go to the 4 hour, right? If we go to the 4 hour, I'm expecting GJ to get all the way up here to 157.050. And if we break that, then you got a resistance here on the 4 hour. Just overall clean traffic from 157.100 back to this crazy support here at around 159.300. If we break above 157.100, we could close bullish this week. If we break above that zone, we could close bullish this week. But obviously, I'm already 20 pips in the books. So, but I'm looking to finally get out at 157. 157.088. That's where I'm gonna get out. Oh, I might as well just leave it and just continue trailing my stop loss. So what? NDL, you don't know who Roger Banks is? I mean, you're not new to trading, right? Yeah, so right now I'm holding. I might get out at these 4 hour highs, right? Like I said, I might get out at these 4 hour highs, or I might just continue holding and continue trailing my stop loss. What? Never heard of Roger Banks? Oh wow, look him up, I guess. You don't even need to search his last name on YouTube. Just type Raja. His name is gonna, his channel is gonna pop up. Man, I'm so sick on EJ though. Just freaking look at that. The same freaking setup. Same setup. But yeah, you know, that's what happens in this market. What can you do? Now, because we are on the 5 minute, so we broke these 4 hour highs, right? Just simply wait. If you're looking to take EJ, let me delete this. If you're looking to take EJ, break, retest, continuation. It's that simple. It's that simple. If GJ gets to the next 4 hour highs, you're looking at 90 pips. Come on, Gigi, let's go. Thank you for subscribing, everyone. Those of you that did. Hold on, did I? Oh yeah, I did already. That's 25. Do I have a fixed lot? Yeah, I used fixed lot size. At this point in my journey, right now, I don't feel the need to increase my lot size as of yet. But next week, I'm gonna have to reduce my lot size because I have to make a major withdrawal. So I have no choice but to reduce my lot size and then bring my account back up again. So starting from next week, those of you in the Discord, you'll see that I've reduced my lot size. Same lot size for indices? Oh, hell no. I dare not do that. I dare not do that. So, nope. The answer is no. I do not use the same lot size for my indices trades. Nope. I dare not. So basically, this is what I'm trying to do. This is what I'm trying to do. Why I'm making a major withdrawal, even though I'm here in the States, I have to send. Where's this? I have to send this amount to Nigeria, right? This right here. I have to send this to Nigeria. So that's the major withdrawal I'm making. Because I'm planning on going there by December this year, take a vacation there, and I need just want to get some stuff done before I get there. So that's what I'm doing. No, that's not 1.2. No, that's 120K. Um, when I go, when I go to Nigeria, I'm planning on hopefully meeting the other Nigerian Forex YouTubers, and just to link up with them. Because even though I'm here in America, I'm still a Nigerian. That's not going anywhere. You see these veins? These veins is 100% Nigerian, 100% African. So even though I'm here in America, I'm still a Nigerian. So I gotta go there. Hopefully they'll be willing to meet up with me. So, and if not, hey, it is what it is. I'll just do my thing. Hopefully meet up with my Nigerian YouTube subscribers. Absolutely, I will. I'm definitely gonna make a vlog. No, I didn't grow up here. Nope, I didn't grow up here. But I have been here for 10 years though. 10 years and counting. Eventually, I'm gonna have to move back there and live like a freaking king. Live like a freaking king. Let me give you guys an example. Nigeria right now, based on what I heard, $1 in my country, $1 is 710. Oh no, it's 710 naira because we spend naira in Nigeria. $1 equals 710. What I'm sending there, right? So they're gonna get 120k. Multiply that by 710. You know how much that is? You know how much that is? I might be six figures here, but over there we're talking millions. Over there we're talking millions. So why wouldn't I want to move back eventually? Because what I do, I can do what I do from anywhere as long as I have my phone, my laptop, or desktop computer. I can do it from anywhere. 120k multiplied by 17, we're talking millions. So right now I'm worth six figures here, but over there I'm worth millions. Come on, GJ, smash that TP for me. Smash that TP for me. And I feel like most traders that are from here, they're from here, or was living here in America before, or anywhere in Europe or whatever, and eventually moved to a third world country. Why do you think they moved there? Tax. I don't know about now, but when I was still in Nigeria, you don't have to pay taxes. You don't have to pay taxes. Yeah, Kevin. I don't know if you have to pay taxes now. I don't think so. See, I don't think so. I don't think you have to. But I guess I will find out. Oh yeah, absolutely. Better quality of life in Africa. If you have money, man, you'll be living like a king. Not just in Africa. Look at freaking Bali. Even though the country itself is poor, but if you have money, Bali has freaking nice stuff. So if you have money, you can move there. You can trade Forex from anywhere. So you can be freaking either buy you a house on a freaking island or buy you a penthouse in Bali. No taxes in the Bahamas. Said I guess no taxes in Nigeria either. I don't think so. So you're just making all your money and keeping everything to yourself. Keeping everything to yourself. Here, now I have to worry about paying taxes next year now. Gotta file taxes next year. So if you're here in the States or if you're somewhere where you gotta pay taxes, man, make sure you actually because all the money you're making with Forex, just know all that money is not for you. Some of it belongs to IRS. So what I've been doing ever since I listened to Kevin Hart, I believe he was during the 10X conference with Grant Cardone. Ever since I heard him say that about taxes, that when he makes money, 50%, right? 50%, he puts it aside. This right here, this is the IRS money, 50%. The other 50 said he splits it into half, investment and other stuff. 50% goes to the IRS. And I've been following that rule ever since. Crazy. Imagine giving someone else 50% of your money. That sucks, right? You had hand money. But hey, what can you do? It's the law. But then again, if you know what you're doing, that's one of the reasons why I love this country as well. If you know what you're doing, just because you put 50% away for IRS, if you know what you're doing, you might only you might only pay 20%. You might only pay 20% instead of 50. That's why that's why my taxes is filed under my business, under my LLC, because I'm a businessman. My Forex, when I file my taxes, it's not going to be personal, it's business. That way, I get to pay less in taxes. It might not make sense to you guys that are from another country, but those that are from here will understand what I'm saying. Now we're talking about business credit. We're talking about an actual business. Filing your business legally, making it legal. Come on, smash that TP. Right now, it's gonna be under LLC, but I'll be switching it to a corporation next year because I have other stuff that want to get into next year. Um, so I'm gonna switch it to a corporation because with a corporation, whether it's C corp or S corp, to my understanding, I don't know too much about corporations, but I'm currently learning about it. I only know some stuff about LLC. But to my understanding, with a corporation, whether it's S corp or C corp, you can have what they call divisions. You can have what's called divisions. And what divisions means is that, for example, Phoenix FX Academy, just as an example. Now, Phoenix FX Academy is the umbrella, right? Now I can have another business under that corporation, and I can just call it whatever. Let me give you guys another example. You see, you guys know Amazon, right? Amazon is a corporation. Now, it's still the same company. Now, Amazon has other divisions under its corporation. That's where the freaking Amazon Prime, the Amazon Music, uh, all these other businesses that Amazon has. So, Amazon itself is the corporations, while stuff like Amazon Music, Amazon Prime, those are divisions of Amazon. So, well, for right now, I just have an LLC. I do not have a corporation, but I'll be switching that next year, I think. You guys give 40% in the UK? All right, guys. It's almost 5 a.m. here, so I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. I'm actually just gonna take I took more partials here at 50, just in case we rejected here. We reject here because this the 4 hour highs we could reject it and then start falling. So, and if we get that, if we get to the TP, fine. If not, it is what it is. But I secured 50 more pips here. Alright, guys. Today was not a bad day after all. So God bless you all. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. God bless you all. Same time, same session. We'll do this again. Tomorrow is Friday, last trading day of the week. And we'll see, how tomorrow goes. God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I live in Texas, Arash. I'm Nigerian, but I live in Texas. Alright, guys, see you guys tomorrow.